In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email subscription pop-up in Wix. Whether you're looking to grow your email list or keep your site visitors updated with the latest news, integrating a subscription pop-up can be an incredibly effective tool. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wix account and open up your site in the Wix Site Editor. Your personalized dashboard is where all the magic happens, so actually navigating there is the vital first step. Once you're in, you'll want to focus on the left-hand sidebar. This is your main control panel, and through it, you'll add your email subscription pop-up. Next, let's move on to adding a lightbox to your website. This might sound a little technical if you're not familiar with the term, but in simple terms, a lightbox is just a pop-up that can display on your site. To do this, keep an eye on the left sidebar and click on either Menus and Pages or directly tap that plus Add button. From the menu that appears, choose Interactive and then select Lightbox. At this point, you'll be presented with a variety of designs and templates. Pick one that aligns with your website's aesthetic. Remember, this is what your visitors will see, so choose a design that holds true to your site's branding. Once you've added your lightbox, it'll be ready to go in your editor. This is where we start customizing and letting your creativity shine. You can edit the layout by adding text, a catchy title, and even changing the background to something that reflects your brand's personality. Think of this as the face of your subscription offer. It's the first thing your visitors will engage with, so make it inviting. The core feature you'll want to add is, of course, the subscription form. Head back over to the Add menu and search under Contact and Forms. Here, you'll find the subscribe form. This is going to be integral to collecting those precious emails. Simply drag and place the subscribe form into your lightbox, positioning it where you feel it works best. You'll want to consider how the form looks and how easy it is for your site visitors to fill it out. Finally, customization is key. Tailor the form fields to fit what you're looking to collect from your visitors. Perhaps just their email address, or maybe their name too. It's entirely up to you, and depends on how you plan to use this information going forward. And there you go. With these few steps, you've now added an email subscription pop-up to your Wix site. This tool can be invaluable for keeping in touch with your audience and driving engagement and sales. Thanks for staying with me through this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and I'm excited to see how you integrate this feature into your own Wix site.